Hi guys, welcome to Buy TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. If you just received the mirror, you may notice that the machine has already been rethreaded. So you don't need to start from scratch. You only need to replace the thread. So in today's video, I will show you how to replace the thread. Let's first untie this knot. And then we just need to connect two threads with a knot. Now I will show you how to do that. First, twist the two threads together and tie a security knot. Tighten it. Then just put the spoon on the corresponding position. Now you only need to pull the corresponding thread you have replaced. But here you need to pay attention. Please remove the thread from the needle hole first. It can protect the needle. Okay, now I'm going to pull the thread slowly. When pulling the thread, pay attention to the thread's path to avoid getting stuck in the knot. If it gets stuck, you can adjust it a little bit. If you feel like the thread isn't moving smoothly, do not forcefully pull it. Otherwise, the thread might break. The thread is usually prone to getting stuck on the thread stand and the metal pieces. So be extra careful around these areas. Now let's cut the extra thread. Here we need to cut from the new thread part. Now is the last step. Pass the thread through the needle hole and go through the press foot hole. Then pull it and put the thread on the spring and cut the extra thread. Finished. Well, that's all for today's introduction on how to replace a thread. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.